So for this question, we want to find the oxidation numbers of the underlined element. So when you are given a question like this, the first thing you need to look at is the charge. So the charge is -2. So there are two elements here. We have sulfur and oxygen. So the total oxidation number of sulfur plus that of oxygen must be equals to the charge. Okay, it must balance with the charge. And the oxidation number of oxygen is -2. So you're looking for the one for sulfur. So let's just use a letter to represent the one for sulfur. Let us say X. So I'm going to say X plus, then the number of oxygen is -2 times this 4 here. Everything must give me -2. It must be equal to the charge. If you simplify this, you have X plus, this will give you -8. Correct the like terms. So this will give you +6. So the oxidation state of sulfur is +6. You can also use the oxidation state to name this anion. You call this tetraoxosulfate 6. Sulfate 6 because the oxidation state of sulfur is +6. This one, the answer is +6. So let's take the next one. The next one is CO3 2-. So to find the oxidation state or number of carbon. So the same way, the oxidation number of oxygen is -2 in this case. So let's use Y to represent carbon. The total oxidation number must be equal to -2. So I'm going to say Y plus, the oxygen is -2, multiplied by this 3 here, must be equals to -2, which is the charge. So this will give you Y -6, like terms. This will give you +4. So the oxidation state of carbon in CO3 2- is +4. That is why this anion or this oxyanion is called triisocarbonate 4. Carbonate 4 because the oxidation state of carbon is 4. So this one is +4. Then you have NO3-. So let's find that. You can see the charge here. Charge is -1, so total charge must give me -1. So let nitrogen be X. So X plus 3 into, so X from here you can just take the like terms. So the oxidation state or number of nitrogen here is +5. So this compound, you can call it, so this anion, you can call it triazonitrate 5. Triazo because you have 3 atoms of oxygen. Triazonitrate 5. So always add the sign. Don't just write 5. You have to include the sign. So the next one is ClO3-. ClO3-. We are looking for the oxidation number of chlorine. So your oxygen is -2. Your total charge must be equals to -1. So if you solve this, you get X, that's representing chlorine, plus 3 into, it's just similar to the one we just did for NO3-. So X plus 5. So X is +5. So the oxidation state of chlorine in ClO3- is +5. So this anion is also called chlorate ion. And you can also call it, look at the number of oxygen you have 3, so you can also call it triazochlorate 5. Chlorate 5 because the oxidation state of chlorine here is +5, so you can say triazochlorate 5. For this next one, you have KMnO4. So you have to find the oxidation state of manganese. Manganese, that's this one here. So first thing you're going to note here is that there's no charge here. You can see there's no charge here. There's nothing like -1 here or +1. There's no charge at the top. So the total oxidation state must be equal to 0. So the potassium is a group 1 element. So potassium will be +1. Oxygen is -2 normally. So if you solve this, potassium is +1 plus, I'm looking for manganese. So manganese, let it be Y, plus 4. Oxygen is -2. Everything must be equal to 0 because there is no charge here. The total charge here is 0. So everything must be equal to 0. If you solve this, you have 1, take like terms, finish it up. So the oxidation state of manganese in KMnO4 is +7. Okay, basically the MnO4 ion here is called the permanganate ion. Okay, so the oxidation state of manganese is 7 there. It's +7. Then for this last one, you have K2Cr2O7. You're looking for the oxidation state of chromium, that is Cr. So let it be X. Okay, so your normal potassium is +1. There's no charge here, so everything must be equal to 0. So you have 2 into +1 plus, let your chromium be Y. But you see 2 here, so you must multiply it with it. Then your oxygen is -2. Everything must be 0. This will give you 2 plus 2y minus 14. So you take it back times 2y equals to 14 minus 2. 2y equals 12. Finish it up and you get 6 as the answer. So the oxidation state of chromium here is +6. So this ion here is called dichromate ion, Cr2O7 2-. That is the oxidation state. So it's called the dichromate ion. So the oxidation state of chromium here is +6. Try this one out and tell me the answer in the comment section. Find the oxidation number of phosphorus in PO4 3-. So this is the one you are looking for. Oxidation state of phosphorus in PO4 3-. So thank you for watching this video. Smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you for watching. I'm going to post more videos on this. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.